Welcome to Analytic Solver, the leading decision intelligence platform inside Excel. Let's take a quick tour so you know exactly where to begin. Solver equips you with 4 pillars of advanced analytics: optimization, simulation, decision modeling, and data science. The quickest way to begin is to click Help on the ribbon. There you'll find ready-to-run example models, live chat, and more. For structured learning, use the Education and Training tab, join a free live webinar, or learn at your own pace in the Solver Academy. Now let's open one of the ready-to-solve optimization examples, the classic product mix problem used across many industries. Once the model is open, the task pane shows its 3 key parts: the objective, the decisions, and the constraints. Just click Optimize and Solver will guide you step by step to the best solution for maximizing profit. Try another example and see how quickly Solver delivers optimized results. AI-powered support, world-class solvers, and round-the-clock help. Everything you need to move forward with confidence. In the next video, we'll show you how to build and solve your first optimization model from scratch.